Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a super common issue in Roblox. Error code 533, which pops up when your privacy settings block you from joining a server. If you've been stuck staring at this error message, don't worry. It's frustrating, but I've got a straightforward fix for you in 2025's latest updates. This guide is quick and easy, so let's dive right in and get you back to gaming in no time. First things first. Open up your Roblox app or website and log into your account. Head over to the Settings menu, which you can find in the top right corner under your profile icon. Once there, click on Privacy or Security Settings. Roblox might have tweaked this a bit in 2025, so look for anything related to friends or experiences. The error is usually caused by restrictions on who can invite you or join your games, so check the Who can invite me to play option and make sure it's set to everyone, or at least includes friends if that's what you prefer. Next, go to your account settings and verify your account info section. Sometimes, age restrictions or parental controls can trigger this error. If you're under 13, double-check that your parent has approved the game or server you're trying to join. Also, ensure that the server you're accessing isn't set to private or friends only on the other end. Ask the host to adjust their settings if needed. If that doesn't work, try logging out of Roblox completely and then logging back in. Clearing your browser cache or restarting the Roblox app can also resolve temporary glitches. For PC users, make sure Roblox is updated to the latest version. You can check this in the Roblox launcher. One more tip. If you're still seeing the error, it could be a bug on Roblox's side. Head to their support page and submit a ticket with details about the error. Include screenshots for faster help. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to fix error code 533 and jump back into your favorite games. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.